Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're doing some more smart blinds. Yes, this is an awesome set of smart blinds, and we reached out to Blindsmagic one more time. They did send us another set of blinds to do. This is what they are. These are fantastic blinds. We love the look of these blinds. You saw that video. If you didn't see this video, check out the link. I did this whole unboxing of these nice, gorgeous blinds. But what we're doing here is something different. We're changing this out. We're changing out these old-fashioned vertical blinds, and we're putting in these two blinds here. The left and the right door, one that opens, one's fixed. That way you can open and close the blind separately. That's what we're doing in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank Blindsmagic for working with me and doing another collaboration with these awesome blinds. They're fantastic. Doing a quick unboxing. We're going to install these and see how they work. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Okay guys, this is just a quick unboxing. The blinds came in these boxes just like you see here. I took them out of the package already to show you. They were packaged together, and they came very quickly, around 7 to 10 days for production and a couple days to get here, and that's the time frame. Each of them come with brackets to install. Each of them came with their own remote controls. And I also ordered the manual, of course, very easy to use. And I also ordered the solar charging panels for this one. This is a really nice quality. Take a quick look at these charging. This is a nice high quality charging panel. Around 4 watt output. We'll do a test in a future video. We're just gonna get these installed and get these rolling. So we will do a test on these and just to see how they perform, and also just the overall wattage and voltage and all that stuff coming out of it. But the quality build is excellent. They do come with 3M adhesive to attach them if you want to, depending on your situation. They do come just like you see here. Each blind was packed in like a bubble container all around it. Everything was wrapped. Here is the inside. Here is the solar panel inside this one. This one I kept sealed just to show you, in a bubble container, like almost like totally wrapped, really secure, no damage at all. And this is the blind here that matches the current blinds. We're going to put these on the door like I told you before, and this is what they look like. So nice quality, excellent. We're going to remove the old slots and then get this all prepped and ready to go and install the new ones. So here's the old-fashioned blinds. Here we go, the old-fashioned slats. Look at this. That's old school, huh? Can't get any older than that. Take up a lot of space. You can see that. These are going to give you more light coming in, because you can see this is all the way over. And when you close them, they really cover up like a lot of the window. You don't really get that full coverage that you need. So you can see how that works. I don't like that. So we got the two windows here. One's going to go over here on this window. Okay, this is the sliding window, so I actually labeled them that this is the sliding window. And then we're going to mount it either on the wall, or we're going to mount it on the actual molding. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to figure that part out. And then it's going to basically come down and cover the whole window. And this is the fixed window. This stays fixed. Okay, so they're going to both hang over it. And this will slide under it. It'll be so separated, so they'll both meet in the middle here. Just make sure you get those measurements right. Outside mount is what you want to use for this one. And again, this is going to take all this old hardware out. Take it all out, remove it, and we're going to install the new one. This is what the old one looks like, and we're going to install the new one, and it should be quite awesome. All right, guys, like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this type of video. This is what I do to help you make decisions on installing, helping, and just shopping along when you're trying to figure out what to do and how to handle it. And this is a nice project here to install these nice smart blinds by Blindsmagic. And they work with Alexa. We'll hook it up with Alexa. I'll show you that as well. You can use a remote control. I mean, it's just, you can use your phone mobile app. So many cool things. I absolutely love this product. It's a really nice, high quality product. And that solar panel is really nice. So we'll get to that soon. All right, guys, let's continue. Okay, you can see I got all the hardware down. We're going to mount the hardware. I think I'm going to try on the molding. I'm not sure yet. I might try that. We'll have to see how that looks. The idea is I want to be able to clear the handle. That's the goal behind this. I want to be able to, so that blind goes down, I want to clear the handle. I don't want to hit the handle. I want to clear the handle. So if I mount it to the wood, it puts it out a little bit further, and we're just going to test that, and we'll do a quick test, and I'll tell you exactly where it's going to go. And I'm going to show you what the hardware looks like. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to show you some of the mounting hardware that did come. It comes in this box like you see here. Here are the actual mounting hardware right here. And it was all packaged really cute in nice pink paper, which is really nice, high quality. So nice touch there, Blindsmagic, really nice quality. Comes with 2 mounting brackets. This is a smaller blind, so some need 2, some need 3. This needs 2. Make sure you put them 4 inches in each side. That's how you want to do it. At least 4 inches, even 5 inches is fine. This is a small blind, so it wouldn't make much of a difference, honestly. You don't want to go to the end in case you want to adjust the blind left and right. These are just snap right in. These are all spring loaded. You can see here, super easy to attach. Let me give you a quick example if I can here. I'm holding the GoPro and doing it at the same time. So they would slide underneath here, and you can see how they just move like that. Snap underneath. See how that just snaps like that? That's that easy. So when you push them in, you just push them in, release, and you're done, just like that. Super easy to install these. These are like really, really easy to do. Nice quality brackets, heavy duty, and also the screws and mounting screws. And so if you have drywall, there's little things you put in the drywall to help take up some of the slack if you don't hit a beam. That's what you need. I forget what they call them, whatever, you know what they are. So that comes in the package as well. And that's cool. All right, let's get installing and see how we do. Yeah, that hit a beam, you can hear that. That's not going anywhere. I'll just snug that up, and that should be good. Yep, that's not going anywhere. There you go. That is not going anywhere. Straighten it out. Okay, perfect. And I'm using the ledge as my guide. The door is straight and square, so I'm going to put one here, I'm going to put one over here, and then continue just going down the line and just snap right in, just like you see here, really easy. And continue, we're going to put them up, we're going to see how they look. Okay guys, you can see I have one already installed. You saw how I installed the brackets, super easy. And the reason why you want to give those couple inches in, because you want to be able to move this. You're going to adjust that. So I'm going to adjust this in the center of this here. This is the center of the door, and just make it just right. That's why I measured, just like I did. And you can see, I mean, you do see some of the light coming through here. That's just because of the way it's sitting and the sunlight's hitting it, but that's just the way it works. And you can see how beautiful it is. Really looks super nice all the way up and down. And I want you to show you, I got the remote right here. Again, you can use this, we'll set up with Google, and yeah, Alexa and Google very shortly, but you can see the up and down here. So let's just put it up. You can see how it goes up. Really cool. You can see how that works. You can stop it halfway. You can do steps on these remote. This remote's really cool. I like this remote. You can do steps. So you can do steps. You want it like that. You get that really cool look. I like that. Or you can go all the way up, and you can adjust the tolerance up, the top and the bottom. You can adjust that. This is already set to go, actually. The bottom is actually perfect. I measured a little bit long and just had to adjust the brackets up an extra inch. I forgot how I measured it. That's all I had to do. So sitting on the sill was not good enough. An inch off the sill, which where the bottom bracket sat, which was perfect. You can adjust the speed of the motors. You can do a lot of different things with this here. So you can see you can just stop it halfway. Looks kind of cool. That's why I did the separation. So this door opens, this one does not. And the reason why you do half and half, so if I want this down, to say the sun's blasting it, but I want to go in and out and barbecue, I can keep this one open. That's why you do half and half. I was thinking about doing one, and it just wasn't a good idea. So the half and half is great. It's going to work perfectly, and I absolutely love the way it looks so far. Let's install the second one and see how it looks. Okay, so you can see I have them both installed now. How they look like. They look really, really nice. I like the way they fit. They did a nice job measuring everything. Everything was fine. Looks good. So I have them hanging like this here. I'm going to set them up as a favorite. So this is like almost like a valance. That's the way I'm going to set this up. You can see. And I wanted to show you. Have two remote controls. They did send me two remote controls, and one's for one side, one's for the other. And I'm going to set up also Alexa to control the sliding door side and the fixed side. So we're going to name it that. I'll be like, Alexa, close the sliding door window. That'll close this one. Or Alexa, close the fixed sliding door. It'll close that one. So we'll get that all set up as well. We'll get that organized. But I want to show you how they work. Here is the remote. Here's the one closing right there. And I'll get the second remote here. And you can also pair them together. So they work together. If you want to close and open and close them together, you can do that, or you can do them individually. Totally up to you. You can see they work really, really nice. Gives you two remotes. You can also program the remote to do each window. Really easy. One remote can do both, or you can use two remotes. Totally up to you. Really flexible. A lot of different options with this set. But you can see how well they're going down. I really like the way they look. You can have them half open, half closed, just like this one here. They match beautifully and absolutely really fantastic. Now they're going to close all the way down. That's how I designed them to close. You can just see how they're closing, how nice. And absolutely recommend Blindsmagic. They did a really nice job cutting. Everything was done correctly. No damage. Easy installation. Easy to pair to Alexa. This is really super simple and super easy. Fantastic look. Really, really stylish. Really nice for the room. Fantastic. Now you will need a Zigbee module to plug in the wall. It's almost like the Wi-Fi communication they use for the blinds, the Zigbee. Any of them, they're very inexpensive. Just you have to pick up a Zigbee and you pair them to the Zigbee, and the Zigbee connects to your wireless network, and that's how you get the gateway to work. So just so you know that. And I'm sure a lot of people understand that the Zigbee controls a lot of devices. So this is what it looks like. It actually fits beautiful. It's perfect. I actually mounted it on the wall instead of mounting it on the woodwork. It fit perfectly, just perfect match. and no issues at all. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a couple different things. We're going to actually set up the Alexa, get this all paired up with that, and get that all programmed really super easy. Now in my other video, I explained to you how to set the upper limits and lower limits. Really simple. What you want to do is hold down the down button and hold the heart button at the same time. That sets up the lower limits for the down part, so you can adjust the down. When you hold that down for about 10 seconds, you'll get a quick up and down click, a nodule click basically, or a feedback from the blind. Then you can adjust you tweak it, and then when you're done, you hold it down again, and that basically sets it up and you're good to go. Same thing you do when you want to do the upper limits. You hold down the up arrow and you hold down the heart, hold that down for like 10 seconds. You'll get feedback from the blind, then you can adjust it, hold it down again, and that sets the upper limits. That's really easy to do. I also have a favorite section here. You can actually set up a favorite, really easy, and just really all nice. And I'm gonna show you my app as well. The app works really, really well as well. So I like the way they look, I like the way they work, and the remotes are high quality. And we're gonna definitely look at the solar panels too. So the solar panels, we're going to do a separate test, so definitely subscribe to the channel. We're doing a separate test on the solar panels. We're going to take these and see how long they charge, how long it takes to charge one of these blinds. I'm going to recommend also charging the blinds as well. That's super important. And also they did send, that I forgot to show you, is a charging cable, which is this is the first time I got this. I've dealt with them before. And they're actually throwing this in now to give you an additional cable. You do have to hook it up to a power brick or a battery power supply of some sort to charge these up if you don't use the solar panel. Now the solar panel is rated for about 4 watts. Is that output, max output, and around 7 volts, 6 to 7 volts roughly. Good construction, metal, not plastic. Really nice quality. I've had some other ones in the past. Nice one, long cable, good construction. So you can hook this up if you want to. Totally up to you. We'll definitely try to test it and just see how they work for this specific company. But the quality is really well built. I did a quick test yesterday with the sun, and I was getting around 3 watts through my window. A little shady out there, but it charged the blind up no problem. So these are really nice quality. Definitely recommend something like this if you're looking for solar options to charge your blinds. Definitely, these are definitely high quality from the other ones, and I mean, from other ones I've had, and these are really, really good. You want to open up Smartlife, you want to download Smartlife. That's the app you want to use. Once you do that, you hold down the button for 6 seconds. It's going to jog once and twice, and then it's going to let go after 6 seconds. It's going to start flashing blue. Blue means pairing mode. I already have a Zigbee system already hooked up, so I have my Smartlife app. I'm going to open that up real quick. I'm going to hit Add Device. Add device. It's going to be like traveling around looking for the device. I'm going to go ahead and hit this button here. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jog again. Let it go. Now it's blinking blue. So it's communicating. It's looking for my device. It's actually looking for the device, looking for the gateway. Just came across, connected to the gateway. Alexa's already connected with Alexa, automatically does it, and then a few seconds. It is that easy to pair these with your Alexa device, your Google Home, all that kind of stuff. It's super easy. Let's see what it says here. It says done, hit done, and that is now installed. Now I'm going to show you my app. Watch this here. I'm going to hit up on the app, and there it goes. It's going up like you can see. I'll hit pause, up again, pause. So right now it's called Smart Roller Shade 4. So let's see if Alexa will hear me. Alexa, open Smart Roller Shade 4. Okay. There you go. Alexa, open Smart Roller Shade 3. Okay. Isn't that cool? That is really cool. I love that. That's really, really, and it's that simple to do. It really is just that simple. Let me see. I'll try Alexa, close Smart Roller Shade 4. Okay. Alexa, close Smart Roller Shade 3. Okay. And you can see how fast the response is. Fantastic. Now these are a fantastic blind. I really like them very, very much. You can see how they're rolling up and down. You can use them with your voice. You can use them with the with Alexa, with Google, whatever you want to do. These are really, really cool. So I'm definitely going to give these a 10 out of 10. I love them. They came really, really quickly. And I'm very, very happy with the blind. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Also hit that subscribe button. There'll be a link over here for the product. Go ahead and click on it. If you're interested, go ahead and shop. I think you will not be disappointed with the quality. Within 7 to 10 days, you're going to have them in your home. As long as you do the right measurements, take your time, read the information, and you should be having no problems at all. Again, fantastic. I love them, and I think this is going to work quite well in my home. And I appreciate your time. So, all right, let's just open these up one more time, and then we're good with the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said. I really do appreciate all of you watching this video. Alexa, open Smart Roller Shade 4.
Okay.
Alexa, open Smart Roller Shade 3.
Okay.
And I'm going to change those names. So once you go and change the names, it'll just know those names. It'll say that's the door open, the left door, the right door. And then you'll see amazing how it's just going to work exactly as you need. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching. I hope it brought you some value. So consider that super thanks. There's a little super thanks right below here. That does help support my channel. Everything I do raise goes back into the channel and helps me make more videos like this to help you and educate you and inform you and motivate you about different projects to help you so you feel like you can do it yourself as well. And that's what this channel is all about. That's all I care about. Appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.